Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Shimano SLX DC reel, and then we're going to take it out to the water and see what all the hype's about, basically. But right now we're going to be waiting for the package to come. This is day one. We have to see if it even will come today. But yeah, look at this. Look at the clouds right now. This is the weather we have. And look at this. Clouds. Yeah, so that is might be good fishing condition and just might be bad fishing condition. I'll update you guys whenever the fishing reel gets here. So yeah, stay tuned until then. Alright, it's day two, as you guys probably saw by that card that I put in. It is freaking here. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go inside and unbox it. Alright, yeah. So, freaking sick. Alright, sorry about the background noise if there is any, but right here we have the Shimano SLX DC reel. We're gonna unbox it right here for you guys. Let's just cut the little stuff on it. First time opening it too. Oh, please nothing fall out. Pretty sure this is like the user manual that's pretty hard to read. It's from Weston Smith when he unboxes. We got some oil. And we have the reel itself. Aw, this is gonna be fun. I already know. Let's get a grip on this thing. I'm holding it upside down. No, I'm not. So it looks just like the SLX I have right down there. But this thing is... Oh wait, you hear it? Oh wait. Oh, I hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I can hear the little... Wait. This thing sounds sick. Okay, I got the 6:3:1 gear ratio one. Only one they had in stock. This thing, I can already tell it's just gonna be sick. So, on the side here, it has a couple different notches. Okay, so there's a 1, there's a 2, there's a 3, and then a 4. 1 is... Hold on, just fact check myself really fast so I don't get this wrong. 1 is to get the max distance, like the open spooling. 2 is for braid / mono lines. 3 is for carbon lines. And setting 4, wind or skipping. Like high wind conditions or just skipping. Alright, now that we have the reel unboxed, let's get it on a rod and then put some line on it. So I'm going to check back when I have the rod on. Okay, we have this little speed stick. We're just going to put on real fast. First thing I thought it wasn't going to fit. I gotta get this on. I always get this camera angle messed up. Alright, before I keep hitting things, right now I'm going to put this 20-pound line I have on the fishing reel. Yeah, I ripped some holes in it. Oh, is this thing unfocused? Okay, I'm going to spool it up a little bit and then, yeah, so, be right back. Okay guys, so I'm outside right now with the Shimano DC SLX. And right here, I just have a 20 ounce. No, I don't know. It's not even a pound. It's like maybe 3/8. But let me tell you, this is the. Let that car pass. Okay. This reel is my farthest casting reel I have. In first place for how far my casts go, it would be. I think it's the Black Max. Then it goes Silver Max. Then the SLX. And now it goes this one. And the KLX or whatever the crap that thing is called. One of my first ever unboxing on this channel. That reel, I may just give it away. Let's pull a bird nest I just put in too, because I just started freaking playing with it as another car goes by. Alright, let me fix this. But from here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me move all the freaking way. Okay, so can you see over there? Okay. Well, I just point you guys in that direction. I just don't want you falling through these cracks. Okay, so a tree. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, that tree that I'm pointing to, that big tree that way. That tree, this thing can cast to very easily. I was doing light cast because I didn't want a bird nest on my first thing or snap off or anything. But I was just going. It went through the tree branch. On that light, oh, you can't see me. On that super light cast, I cast it all the way into that tree. Okay, I'm trying to look through the camera. It's kind of difficult. I cast it. Yeah, okay. Right now I'm going up. I can see my thing. I'm in the tree over there. In that light cast. And we're out of the tree. Hopefully. Dude, I can't wait to go fishing with this. I'm gonna try and go fishing. There should be a video up on Saturday. I should be making the video. If not, then you'll probably see one in a couple of days from now. But I did the. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of those tips and trick videos. 'Cause I kind of enjoyed them because they're just super fast and easy, and then it helps people that really don't know how to fish. And I don't know if you guys can hear it, but can you guys hear that little or the Shimano little buzz it does with the DC chip? And fun fact about the DC chip is whenever you hear that noise and you're like, oh, are the batteries dying in this or anything like that? No, it actually recharges them and gets ready for the next cast as your what's it called? Where the heck is this stuff? Because it keeps getting freaking snagged. Well, that's pretty cool. This reel is pretty sick. Just by itself. And we got the speed stick. Pretty sure it's medium heavy, fast action. So it's a pretty good setup right here. But just like this, if I stand right in front of the camera, just the little flick like this, I bet you it would go past my fireplace. That's right there. Okay, ready? The wind might blow you over. That's why I'm kind of worried because I want to break this camera. So. That's disappointing. Took my thumb off, getting all cocky for this one moment. Bird nest. I'll be back whenever I get this bird nest out. That's as far as it goes, guys. Alright. So I got the bird nest out of the fishing reel. I might just end it here. I mean, we did not get to go fishing today because it is so hot outside. This camera keeps saying overheating, so I can't really film. But, so that was a crazy unboxing. Most expensive fishing reel I've ever purchased. So I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe if you guys like this content. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more tips and trick videos. This is a weird outro I'm doing though. Yeah, have a good day.